So we're talking absolute value today. It's in numbers distance from zero. The steps, get the absolute value alone, separate it into having a straight through side and an opposite side. Notice how the opposite means that became a 4. From a 4 to a negative 4. Your final answer, solution set, negative 12, negative 4. Sometimes you get two solutions. Sometimes you're going to have one solution. And sometimes you're going to have no solution. Like for instance, this one right here. When you minus 5, you get a negative 3, and you can't have the absolute value equal to a negative 3. And this one, when you check, only one of them works. This one does not. When you check 4 back in, here and here. So those are your options. 2 answers, 1 answer. And then when you add an inequality, times you're going to have to graph it. And at that point, you make a number line. And here it is. So the answers, straight through, get you k is less than or equal to 3. Opposite, you have to switch the sign. All right, use this for the test, study this.